Welcome to Wiki General. In this tutorial, we will show you how to enable or disable dark mode on Instagram. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Let's go toward the video. First, you have to go to your profile, click on the profile icon at the bottom right, then click on the three dot at the top, and then go to the setting and privacy. Scroll down and search for the accessibility. You see the option accessibility, click on it, and you see the option dark mode, click on it. So there's the option of off or system default, and from here you easily disable and enable the dark mode. Once you click on the off or system default, the dark mode will be disabled. If you click on the on, the dark mode will be enabled. So these are the simple way to enable or disable dark mode on Instagram. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.